This question says, I work in a coffee shop that offer bacon sandwiches, and I have to make these sandwiches and serve them to customers. Is that halal? Obviously, in our religion as Muslims, is not allowed to consume bacon or any pork product, as well cooking it, selling it, farming pigs for this purpose. All this things are not halal for us as Muslims. But if you serve a majority, if your work is basically includes serving bacon, this work something that you should look for another type of job that has no haram type of service in it. But if the vast majority of your work in that coffee shop is halal, maybe 5% or less than 10% of the sandwich that you make or the service that you do to customers will not involve bacon. In this case, I would say it is just highly not recommended for you to be working in a place like this. That's number one. Number two, that I would say as well, there is another thing we look at it here, that the person should increase their sadaqah and purification, because the Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told businessmen in Medina at that time that this business will never be 100% pure. There will always be questionable things in the transactions. So purify your money with sadaqah. And I would say you purify your income with charity as well to increase your charity if you are a worker in such place. And I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to help you to find a better job, which is inshallah 100% pure and halal. Because we take in consideration being in a non-Muslim country, take in consideration also how hard it is for a lot of people to find job, especially in the food business in non-Muslim country, that it will be completely free from any pork product. And I do believe that this is a middle position between those who said it's absolutely haram and you have to quit your job, and those who said it's okay, halal, because pork is halal for the people of the book, or halal for the non-Muslims. So we're not basically helping them to do something haram. I do see these two opinions on the opposite of each other, and I hope this as well be a middle path in between, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the videos so that you can get notified of the new releases, and consider donating to this worthy cause.